Hey, check this out. It's going down. Night of Elegance. I just wanted to show y'all the boat. This is what we're going to be on, man. Call it a yacht. Call it a ship. Call it a fisherman boat. Call it whatever you want to call it. We going to be here. June 29th is the night. Roughly about 6 to 9. We're going to be able to see the sunset. I don't know when the last time y'all seen the sunset. We all work hard. We all try to get money, feed our family, take care of business. But every now and then you need to come out, kick your feet up, brush the dust off, you know, and chill. Have a nice glass of champagne, get some cool appetizers and hors d'oeuvres, listen to some good music. I mean, it's just gonna feel like we in Jamaica. I'm telling you, like my good people is gonna be here. It's gonna be a celebration, you know, celebrate your company with class. Gonna get a little bit of insight on what we do, you know, from movies to records to videos to film, graphic designs, the whole nine. We got a lot of sponsors involved, and I'm just happy that it's gonna go down. So come out and check us out. Alright? If not, you're gonna be partying like this. If not, you're gonna be partying like this. You're gonna party like this. That's what I thought. Probably didn't know that I'll be driving this shit too. It wasn't really in my contract, but every now and then I gotta show you guys this is how I do it. I ain't saying it's my yacht. I worked it out to where I get to drive it for a second. It ain't no stop signs in the ocean. This is not considered drinking and driving. This is drinking and selling. They ain't even came up with a law for that. But this is how we do it. June 29th, Night of Elegance. Automatic pilot, he ain't even here. He drinking with us.
You